Hey y'all, I hope that everyone's doing well. Today's gonna be a great day because we're making delicious and unique Creole sushi. Tell me if y'all ever seen anything like this before, or am I the first? Alright, first we have Tony's dirty rice mix, and let me tell y'all, it's so simple. All you need is some water in the dirty mix. You could also add meat, but for this recipe, I'm not. Bring it to a boil, pop on the lid, and let it go for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once done, set aside and let cool. Now for the crab salad, shred up some imitation crab sticks, add some green onions, a generous amount of Japanese mayo, and you know we gotta have that original Creole seasoning. Go ahead and season the taste, then combine thoroughly and set aside. Alright, I have some shrimp peeled and washed. Use a knife to make 2 horizontal slits at the top and 1 slit at the bottom. Be careful not to cut all the way through, then use your fingers to gently press down so you feel the flesh breaking and popping. The process prevents the shrimp from curling up when frying. I have a cup of milk, 1 egg, then combine. This is your wet mix, and for the dry mix, I have Tony's fish fry, so flavorful you don't need to add nothing else. Dip the shrimp in the wet mix and shake off the excess, into the dry mix and shake off the excess, then set aside and repeat the process. Alright, now fry the shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes, flipping them halfway through. Once done, take them out and let them drain. To make the sushi, I have a bamboo mat, but use whatever you got. Place down a sheet of seaweed paper, add some dirty rice, then spread it out. It'll help if your fingers are wet. Now place down some plastic wrap and give it a flip. Add some crab salad, and you could add whatever you got, but I'm doing red bell pepper, some avocado slices, a little bit of cream cheese, the shrimp, then gently roll everything up, making sure to press and squeeze to get that sushi shape. Once done, it'll look like this. Alright, now cut it into portions with the plastic still on. Peel off the plastic, plate the sushi, more mayo for presentation, and I'm using Tony's Supreme Crab Boil just for a little razzle dazzle on top, garnished with green onions. And voila, beautiful Creole sushi, nothing like it, absolutely immaculate. Bon appetit, I hope y'all enjoy, and if you like the products in this video, check them out at TonySashery.com.